Good morning. Here we are in Jardines del Mar in another 2-bedroom apartment. This is next to the other apartment in the other video I've just made. Beautiful sea views. Just a reminder that the plot in front is commercial, so you can only build a 2-story commercial building. It can be shops, offices, anything for businesses. Here we have the kitchen that needs to be reformed and updated. Utility room, nice size. Over here we have the guest bedroom. Fitted wardrobes. Here we have the guest bathroom with shower. Master bedroom, bathroom, and the master bedroom with exit to the terrace that connects to the sitting room. For viewings, please contact us and have an amazing day. Thank you.